Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Shake. In this video, I will tell you about how to enter the diagnostics menu on a Google Pixel. First up, open the phone app. Step 2. Now enter the code *#*# 7287 #*#. You notice our screenshot missed of the last. This is because as soon as you enter the code, you leave the phone screen. As such, you don't need to press dial. Step 3. You need to have a reliable Wi-Fi connection for this process. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and then tap confirm. Step 4. Here you are at the diagnostic menu. Browse the different categories to see which hardware components you can diagnose issue. Step 5. You can hit Start Test at the top to run a full scan. Alternatively, you can tap Check Group above individual grouped hardware components to check only those, or you can tap a specific component to check that if you have an idea about where the problem lies already.